So we got our two eyeballs sticking out here. We are coming to our next step. So that next pupil of the eye sticks out as well. It sticks out a little ways. I can't see how far it's sticking out for the pupil, but I'm looking over here. Oh, there it is. So I want to look, this line has got an arrow right here and an arrow right here. And then this line has an arrow right here, and it's got a little tiny hook, and it's kind of hard to see the little hook, but it's sticking out 5 millimeters past the front. So we're going to come here, we got to draw a circle. Oh, we also need to know that it's centered on the same center, and it is of 50 millimeter diameter, so it's cut that in half for the radius, which is 25 millimeters. So I'm going to come over here and draw a circle. Now, I don't have those guidelines anymore, and those guidelines would have been in this face over here. So I need to find the center of this and just kind of eyeball it. No, do not eyeball the eyeball center. Slide over here, and I go to the edge. I didn't click, I didn't do anything, but at least it picked up the center. And now when I come to the center, boom, it snaps to the center. Again, I don't have a guideline to say, okay, this is perfect, but you either want it to be blue or red. Don't put it up here where it's black. Make it blue or red. And we have a radius of 25, so I'm going to make it too big. Then I'm going to type 25 and hit enter to make sure it goes to the right size. I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. Now I have them flat on there, but I need to stick them out a little bit. Push, pull it out way too far, laser beam eyeballs, and type 5 and hit enter. You can see it changing down in the distance. 5 and hit enter. Again, if you did that and it looks funny, just hit the undo tool and do it over. Don't try to sit there and push and pull and push and pull. You won't get it right. And now we have SpongeBob's eyes taken care of. Next one is going to be his nose. I'm going to let you do that one on your own. I'm going to let you know. Well, no, I'm going to help you out with that one. In the next video, we'll take care of the nose.